You see, when this appeal was filed, some of the respondents, all the respondents, then respondents, there were only 6 of them, they were served. Now, about 5 other people applied to be joined. One said he's zonal chairman, the other one said he wants to be national secretary, and so on and so forth. So when they were joined, we now served them again with the notice of appeal and all the processes of the court. Surprisingly, when I came to court yesterday, they brought applications that we shouldn't serve them through their lawyers, that they had finished their work, that they only briefed to apply for joinder. The Supreme Court about a month ago had said if you don't serve notice of appeal personally, then everything you've done is wrong. So ex abundante cautela, we have to act out of the abundance of caution. And then we brought an application expedited today to serve everybody from beginning to end so that we don't get the question of service or non-service when we get into the teeth and meat of the appeal. So that's what transpired. And the Supreme Court granted the application.
So when will that meet and the teeth? When is the next sitting?
Now, you cannot have a date without service. So, but we can be sure that there will be service between today and tomorrow. And once that happens, we apply to the Supreme Court. They will give us a date. They have been very nice. They understand the urgency of this matter and the essence of the matter. It is not about Uche Secondus. It is about whether we can allow impunity to thrive in Nigerian politics. We need to save our democracy. You can't sit down somewhere and say you ask the ward chairman of your party to suspend your national chairman, a ward person. So so that is the essence of the matter, and the Supreme Court has appreciated it. That is why they adjourned from yesterday to today. Once we finish with service, we believe we will apply and they will give us another date.
We all were serving hearing notices that a motion for accelerated hearing and abridgment of time to be moved yesterday by the appellants. When we got there yesterday, we discovered that the appellants did not do the needful, thereby putting the cart before the horse. They didn't serve the originating processes of this appeal, the notice of appeal and the records of appeal, personally on the respondents as required by Order 2 of the rules of the Supreme Court, thereby making the appeal rather incompetent. And so one of us counseled to the 8 respondents, return the processes served on him, and they had to now adjourn to today. We have come here today, a motion has been moved for substituted service of the notice of appeal on all respondents, even including those of us who have come here. And so my take is that we have just come here to waste our time. We have come here to waste our time. The act they are complaining about is the office of National Chairman of People's Democratic Party. The party, to the knowledge of all Nigerians and the world indeed, has conducted National Convention on 30th and 31st of October 2021, and new officers, including National Chairman, have emerged. By the grace of God, they'll be sworn in on Friday, the 10th of December. So what are we wasting our time here for? Can you bring back Judas Iscariot to become a disciple after Lot has been conducted and Matthias has taken over? Have a nice day.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.